Good morning, students. This is your maths teacher Muhammad Irshad. This class I am recording for Sunday, 29th of March 2020, which will be your 5th class of maths through this media lecture. Today we will do exercise 10.6, which is about time. So let's start our class. Exercise 10.6 on page number 143 you can find in your book. You can also open your book and see the question. Question number 1, find the time duration between. Find the time duration between. So students, we know if we know the time of any activity, starting time of any activity, and we know when it's get over, then we can find the duration of that activity easily. So here they are asking about the duration, means they will give you the starting time of some activity, and when the time and when that activity gets over, that time also they will give you. You just have to find the duration of that activity. This exercise will also ask you about the finishing time of the activity. In next question you will see they will give you starting time of the activity, and they will give you the duration of the activity, and you have to find the time when the activity gets over. So first question number 1 is about duration. Just keep in your mind, what is duration? The time elapsed between the starting time of the activity and the time when it gets over. That time duration, total time of the activity, is called duration. So let's have question number A. Question number A, 11:10 a.m. and 6:10 p.m. means the first one is the starting time and the second one is the ending time of the activity. So you have to find the duration of this activity. So it's very easy. What you have to do, first write the starting time here like this, 11:10 a.m. Draw an arrow like this. Then write the time, not the ending time. Write the time which will be nearest round time. Round time means without any minutes. Like it's 11, so after 11 what the next time will come, round of time, that will be 12. 12 noon will come. So you can write it here 12 noon. And after 12 noon means from this time you can write the end time. First draw an arrow, then write the end time. So here what we have done, here you can see the starting time, then we have write the next round up time. After 11 what will be the round up? 12, so 12. Then the end time, and now I have drawn here arrow, means from 11:10 a.m. to reach 12, how much time we have taken. Calculate the duration between these two time and write just below the arrow. So from 11:10 to 12, what is the time duration? How much time you will take to reach from 11:10 to 12? It will be 50 minutes. After 50 minutes you will reach to 12. So write it here just below the arrow, 50 minutes, like this. Similarly, from the 12, now it will be easy to calculate the duration from 12 to 6:10 p.m. is the evening time. So from 12, when you will go to 6, it will be 6 hours. Like after 12, 1, so 1 hour. The next will be 2 p.m. so 2 hours, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 p.m. means 6 hours and 10 minutes. So from the duration from 12 to 6:10 will be 6 hours, 10 minutes. So just write it here below the arrow, 6 hours, 10 minutes. So this is the total time duration, this 50 minutes plus this one. Now you can add these two and you will get your answer, the duration between 11:10 a.m. and 6:10 p.m. So just add it both, and you have already learned how to add the time in previous exercise 10.5. This we are doing 10.6 in 10.5. So you can, hope you have seen that one and you have cleared all your dots there. There we have add in details how to add the two times. Here we will do orally, mentally we will calculate here. We will not go in that much detail. So if you if you want to learn how to add, then see the previous video. Even if you forgot that video, even here in this video, go in description place, and in the description place you will find the link I have pasted for the previous lessons. So you can go in the description place and you can open that link of previous exercise, which will show you how to add these 2 times in details. Here we will do mentally, there we have done in details. So see mentally how we will do. This is 50 minutes and here 10 minutes. I told you there also, first you add the minutes. So 50 minutes and 10 minutes will give you 60 minutes. So 60 minutes, that is equals to 1 hour. Means this, after adding this 2 minutes, we are getting 1 hour. So that is coming hour. So it will transfer to hour column. So 6 hours is already there and 1 more hour will come. So it will give you 7 hours. 50 minutes plus 10 minutes means 60 minutes. 60 minutes makes 1 hour. And 1 hour, and this 6 hours already is there. So when you will add that 1 hour in this 6 hours, it will give you 7 hours. So here you can write 7 hours like this. So this is the time duration. This is your answer. You can write below your final answer like this. Duration between 11:10 a.m. and 6:10 p.m. is equals to 7 hours. Hope you have understood. Again I am telling you how we have added this here. If you are having any doubts, any confusion, just watch the previous video where I have explained exercise 10.6. There in that exercise, in that video, I have showed you in details how to make the minutes column, hours column, and how to add the 2 given times or 3 given times. So just watch it. If you are not getting that video, then in this video go in the description, place description, and in the descriptions I have added that link. I have pasted that link. Just click on that link and watch the video again. Then move to this exercise. For doing this exercise, previous exercise is very important. There should be no doubt, no confusion. So now let's move to question number B. So question number B, let's see on the screen what is it. Question number B, you have to find the time duration between 3:40 a.m. and 6:20 p.m. So how we will do? The same way what I told you. First write the starting time, that is 3:40 a.m. Write it like this. Then draw an arrow, and then what will be the closest time, round up time from here? What will be? After 3:40 what should come? After 3:40 4 will come. So you can write it 4, and it is, you can see here at 3:40 a.m. So here it will come 4 a.m. So you can write it 4 a.m. there. Then after 4 a.m. again draw an arrow and then write the final time, which is given here, 6:20 p.m. Now just calculate the time between these two given time here, 3:40. How we will reach to 4 o'clock from 3:40? So how many minutes we have to take from here? So it is 3:40. So after 3:40, if 20 more minutes will come, then we will reach to 4 o'clock. 3:40, then 3:50, then 3:60 means 4 o'clock. So 20 minutes, here you can see 20 minutes are left in 4 o'clock. So 20 minutes is the time duration between 3:40 am and 4 am. So you can write it here 20 minutes. Similarly, from 4 am to 6:20 pm, what will be the time duration? Mark it here. Here it is am, 4 am. So from 4 am we will reach to 12 noon first. 4 am to 12 noon. Then after 12 noon we will reach to 6:20 pm. Means from 4 am to 4 pm first we will go. It will take 12 hours. Then after 4 pm it will be 5 pm, 6 pm. Means 2 more hours. Means 12 plus 2, 14 hours. And then 20 minutes. So 14 hours 20 minutes. So you can write it here, 14 hours 20 minutes. So what will be the total duration? You can just add these two. So just add it, and 20 minutes plus 20 minutes will be 40 minutes. So it is less than 60. So nothing to do. So it will be 2 hours 40 minutes. So you can write it here, 2 hours 40 minutes. If the minutes will come more than 60, then we have to break it. 60 minutes will give 1 hour and remaining minute will come as a minute here. Now you can write your final answer here. the time duration between 3:40 am and 6:20 pm is equals to 14 hours 40 minutes. Hope it is clear for everyone. Now we will move to part C of same question. So let's have question C here. Question C is 8:20 am and 10:45 am. So same way we will do, first write the starting time, then draw an arrow and write the nearest roundup time, that will be 9 am, and then again give an arrow and then the final time, that is this one. Now you calculate from 8:20 when we will reach to 9, how much time it will take. So 8:20 it will take 40 minutes. So you can write it here 40 minutes. Now from 9 to 10:45. So from 9, 1 hour it will take to reach 10 and then 45 minutes, because both are am only. So just 1 hour 45 minutes. So here you can write it 1 hour 45 minutes. Now you can add this both to find the total time duration. So 40 minutes plus 1 hour 45 minutes. First add the minutes. So 40 minutes and 45 minutes will give you 85 minutes. So it is more than 60, so break it. How I have taught you in the previous exercise. 85 can be written as 60 plus 25. So 25 will be your minutes and 60 will give 1 hour to this hour. So this is 1 hour and 1 more hour will come here. So 2 hour 25 minutes will come here. So 2 hour 25 minutes. Again I am repeating, this 40 minutes and 45 minutes will give you 85 minutes. From there 60 I will subtract as an hour. So it will go here in this hour and it will become 2 hours, and here 25 minutes will be left, that will be written as 25 minutes. If you are having any doubt in this step, just watch the previous video of exercise 10.5. Now you can write your final answer. Duration between 8:20 am and 10:45 am is equals to 2 hours 45 minutes. Question number D is also same thing, so you can do it by yourself. Now we will move to question number 2. Let's move to question 2. And question 2 is, what will be the time? Use AM or PM. So here you have to find the time, the final time. So let's have question number A. 1 hour 10 minutes after 6:20 PM. So what we will do? Already we have done in previous exercises in details. Here we will do mentally all these things. First write the time, what is the present time or given time, that is 6:20 PM. So 6:20 PM, and what will be the time after this? So just add that one. So put a plus sign and then write 1 hour 10 minutes here. That is equals to how much? So see, first I will add 2 minutes. 20 minutes and 10 minutes will be 30 minutes. It is less than 60, so nothing to do. If it will be more than 60, then 1 hour will be passed to the next hour column. So it is 30 minutes, and this 6 hours and 1 hour, 7 hours. So 7 hours and minute was 30. So you can write 7:30 PM. 7:30 PM. How we have added in previous, like in a column, to make the hours column, minute column, for that details you can see previous video. Now we'll move to question number B. Question number B, they are asking what will be the time after 2 hours 5 minutes of 1:40 AM. So first write the given time, that is 1:40 AM. Then give a plus sign, and how much you have to add? 2 hours 5 minutes. Just write it, 2 hours 5 minutes. So here also what we will do, first add the minutes. 40 minutes and 5 minutes will be 45 minutes. And 11 AM, it is 11 AM. When we will add 2 hours, it will come what? After 11 AM, then it will become 12 noon. After 1 hour, 12 noon. Then again 1 will be added, it will become 1 PM. Because after 12 o'clock noon, we are using PM, the short form of post meridian. So it will be 1 and 45 PM. So you can write it here, answer 1:45 PM. Similarly, we will do question number C and D. So let's have question number C on our screen. 45 minutes after 3:10 PM. So write the time, given time, 3:10 PM. Then give addition sign and add the what you have to add here, 45 minutes. So add 45 minutes. So what will come? it is 10 minutes here already given. If you will add this 45, you will get 55 minutes only, and hour is nothing, so it will be same 3. So 3 hours and 55 minutes, and unit will be same PM. So 3:55 PM. Question number D. 1 hour 40 minutes after 7:20 PM. So write the given time 7:20 PM. Give an addition sign. Then write 1 hour 40 minutes. Just add it. So what I will do here, this minute first we have to add. So 20 minutes and this 40 minutes will give you 60 minutes. That is equals to 1 hour. So it will 1 hour will move here and nothing will left. In place of minutes it will be 00. So this 1 hour will become 2 hour and here 7 hours. So 9 hours. So 9 hour and unit will be PM only because it is 7 PM. So 9 hour 9 PM will be the next time. It will be PM just before it is not crossing the AM. 12 midnight, it is 9 is coming before 12, so unit will be PM. So you can write 9 PM. Again I am repeating this 40 minute and 20 minutes, 60 minutes means 60 minute means 1 hour. So minute is nothing left, 00, and this 7 hours, 1 hours, 8 hours, and 1 hour you got after adding this 60, 40 and 20. So when you will add in that 8 hours, you will get 9 hours. So 9 hours. So 9 PM. Now we'll move to question number 3. Question number 3 is story sums. It is also same like addition or find the duration or find the ending time. So see here question number 3A. Madhu goes to school at 8:20 AM and returns at 3:30 PM. How long is she away from the home? So it is about the duration, like question number 1. So just write the given time, draw an arrow, then write what will be the nearest time, round up. It will be 9 AM, so write it there, 9 AM. Again an arrow, and then write the final time. Final time was 3:30 PM. Now calculate the duration from here to here. 8:20 to 9, it will be 40 minutes, so write it here 40 minutes. Then next from 9 to 3, how much? After 9 it will be 10, then 11, then 12. So 3 hours after 12 it will be 1, 2 and 3, means total 6 hours 30 minutes. So you can write it here 6 hours 30 minutes. Then you can add these two time, this 40 minutes and this 6 hours 30 minutes, add it. When we will add this, what we will get, this minute we have to add first. So 40 minutes and 30 minutes, 70 minutes. 70 minutes is more than 60, so just subtract 60. 70 can be written as 60 plus 10. So minutes will be 10 and 60 minutes will give you an hour. So that hour will added here. So it will be 7 hour 10 minutes. So 7 hour 10 minutes. So your final answer will be like this. She was away from home for 7 hours 10 minutes. Again I am repeating, if you are having any confusion in this step, this one what I am showing with a pointer, then you can just see the previous video where I have explained this in details. There in that exercise we have to do in details, but here no need of that details. Here you can do mentally. Now move to next question. Question 3B. Gumreet jogs for 40 minutes every day. If he leaves at 6:40 AM, when did he return? Means here you have to find the ending time when the activity gets over. So here we know the starting time and we know the duration. So write the starting time and add the duration in it. Just give an addition sign, and duration is 40 minutes. So add 40 minutes. Now what it will give you? So 40 and 40 both minutes will be 80 minutes, which can be written as 60 plus 20. So minutes will be 20 and 60 minutes will give you an hour, that will be added here in an hour. So 7 and 10, and it will be AM only because it's not crossing the 12 o'clock noon. So 7:20 AM. You can write your final answer. He will return at 7:20 AM. He will return at 7:20 AM. Let's move to next question. 3C. 3C. Mr. Singh left home at 10:45 AM and returned after 1 hour 20 minutes. At what time did she return? So Mrs. Singh. So Mrs. Singh left the home at 10:45 a.m. So here they have given the starting time and the duration. You have to find the final time. So write the starting time, put an addition sign, then add the duration given, that is 1 hour 20 minutes. What will be the answer after addition? First we have to add minutes, 45 minutes and 20 minutes will give you 65. So it can be breaked as 60 plus 5. So minutes will come 5 and 60 will give you an hour. So an hour and this an hour, 1 hour will 2 hour and here 10. So 12 means it's crossing 12 now. It's crossing 12 noon because it is 10 a.m. When you will add 2 more hours, it will give you 12 noon. So 12 noon and 5 minutes. So you will write it here, the units PM, because it's crossing the 12 o'clock noon. So we will write here 12:05 PM. Hope it is clear to everyone. Now we'll move to 3D. Question number 3D. This is your final answer. C will return at 12:05 PM. Let's move to question 3D. And question 3D is Rita went swimming at 4:10 PM and returned at 6:05 PM. How long was she away? It's same like 3A. Same like 3A. Let's do it here. So here you have to find the duration. So for finding duration, first write the starting time, then draw an arrow, then write the nearest round-up time, that will be 5 PM, and then again draw an arrow and write the final time. So here if you will calculate the how much time it will take to reach 5 from 4:10 PM, it will take 50 minutes. Write it here, 50 minutes. Here again calculate. So 5 PM then 6 PM, so 1 hour and 5 minutes only. From 5 PM to reach 5 PM it will take 1 hour 5 minutes. Now to find the duration, you have to add these two time, given time, what you have written here, 50 minutes and 1 hour 5 minutes, add it. When you will add this minute, 50 minutes will be added with 5 minutes, it will give you 55 minutes, which is less than 60, so nothing to do here. So answer will be 1 hour and 55 minutes. You can write it like that, 1 hour 55 minutes. So this is your final answer. You can write it final answer like this. C was away for 1 hour 55 minutes. So hope it is clear to everyone. And then question number 3, E and F is also same like this question 3A, B, C, D. So this question number E and F you all have to do by yourself as a homework. So hope today's class was clear, and I told you if that step was not clear about addition of time, then watch the previous video, and I have also pasted the previous video link here in the description place. You can go in description and you can search that link, or you can see in your YouTube library, and there you can see the previous video. So hope it was clear to everyone. Just take care, have a good day. Thank you.